Welcome, guys, to my YouTube channel. So, if your PC has the issue of high data consumption, this is basically the right video to help you drop your data consumption here on your PC. So, without wasting much time, this is Don Tech and Games, and what we do here is to post helpful videos like this one. So, let's go ahead to our Wi-Fi and click here, and the next thing to do is to click on this information button here. So once this has opened, the first thing we have to do is to turn on metered connection. I'm going to be turning on metered connection here. That is step one. Step two is to set a data limit. I'm going to click on set a data limit. What I have to do here is to click on enter limit and set this limit type to unlimited, and also click on save. So you can see this, I've set a limit. So these are two basic steps. First, then the next step is to stop update, because update consumes too much data on your system. So just click here to open settings and stop automatic updates on the settings, or use this other method called service. I'm going to open my service application. I'm going to open this service application, and what I have to do is to tap here and try to locate update orchestrator service. So I'll be opening update orchestrator service, which is here. Double tap on these, change from automatic to disabled, and stop this program from running, or this service from running. So once I'm done stopping it, I'll click on apply and click on OK. So I'm going to scroll down to the next one. There's Windows Update. Double tap again on it. I repeat the same step. Change this to disabled and stop this from running. So once this is done, click on apply and click on OK. So you are done here, and you should try this with every new network you connect to, and you notice your PC doesn't consume much data. So if you found this video helpful, share to your friend. Also complain about the issue, like and comment. Thank you very much.